Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Rocket Leap. This powerful movement ability is exclusive to the Foot Soldier Zombie. To unlock it, you'll need to head to the in-game sticker shop. Look for the Wondrous Pack of Greatness, which costs 35,000 coins. Opening these packs gives you a solid chance to find new abilities, including the Rocket Leap, to enhance your foot soldier's mobility. So, what exactly is Rocket Leap? Unlike the rocket jump, which focuses on height, Rocket Leap is designed for covering ground quickly. It launches your foot soldier forward, making it excellent for traversing maps or closing distances to enemies. A key advantage is having 2 charges, meaning you can use it twice before needing to wait for a full recharge. Each charge recharges in 32 seconds, but they replenish separately. To truly master Rocket Leap, consider its tactical uses. It's perfect for flanking unsuspecting plants, quickly reaching elevated positions, or making a swift getaway from a sticky situation. While primarily a forward movement, you can influence its height by adjusting your movement input. Remember, having 2 charges means you can use one, and the other will begin recharging, allowing for consistent mobility if managed well. Why should you choose Rocket Leap over other foot soldier abilities? Its primary advantage lies in its exceptional horizontal mobility, letting you cross large areas rapidly. The 2 available charges offer unparalleled flexibility, whether you're pushing an objective or dodging incoming fire. For players who enjoy an aggressive, fast-paced foot soldier, Rocket Leap is an indispensable tool for dominating the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.